this is Togoto community. The residential community, there is an association for the residential. Wale wamekuja wamezaliwa, and they were so happy because Kikuyu Hospital iliwasaidia sana. There's a time they wanted to do a public toilet, na muliwasaidia sana. So receive those greetings and the gratitudes from them.
Tumezipokea, go back and tell them. Tumesema pia asanti for being given the opportunity to help.
Absolutely.
You know, at times you can knock doors and you are told, no, si tuko na hii, hatutaki hii. But when people approach you and say, we need you to support with this and that, we are always ready to do that. And yes, we've been in good relationship with the community around.
Absolutely.
Whenever they want things done, like even outreaches, the medical camps, we are always ready to go and support. And I think last Sunday they had a function. They reached out to us and we supported them.
There was a prayer.
Yes, and we supported financially. So yeah, we are in good sync with the community. This is their hospital. This is a community hospital.
Absolutely.
Yes, and you can't say in ya kanisa tu. No, it's community.
Kwa hivyo even other denominations, they are treated equally. Not necessarily because it's a PCEA affiliated hospital. Everyone, it's an open door for everyone.
Absolutely, we don't discriminate anybody. The patients, the staff, we interact with people of all walks of lives in terms of religion, in terms of sex, in terms of, all manner of differences that come in the society. We don't entertain that. Because now if you say this is faith-based, we only employ Christians, then does that mean you can't treat other faiths?
Yeah, sure.
Because you'll have patients coming. So it's good to just open up, and that's why we say our tagline, the love of Jesus Christ through healing. And Jesus Christ, they never discriminated. So we just follow the way of Christ. And love everybody equally.
Very true, very true.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Yes. Allow me to ask this with all humility. Na watu wasiniite mudhoni wa SHA. Bwana CEO, SHA inafanya. Okay, inaweza kuwa ifanye kwingine. But just allow me to ask this, because ninasikizwa and I'm being watched by many people here in Kenya and abroad. How about now partners? Na sijui kama SHA ni partner ama sijui anakujia wapi, lakini huyo SHA anafanya formerly NHIF.
Okay, thank you Charity. There are a lot of stories about SHA, former NHIF and all, and we as faith-based hospitals, it's difficult to do without SHA. Of course, like if you come to Kikuyu Hospital, we have about more than 20 insurance companies that we have partnership with. The same you'll find in these private hospitals, but SHA plays a great role because mainly of the cadre of patients we serve. They need that support. So there are challenges with SHA, no doubt, but these are challenges that we keep on working on every day. You visit SHA offices, you call them. If it is system issues, approval issues, return claims, payment delays, we talk and we resolve. But challenges are there.
Absolutely.
But I can tell you, yes, patients come, approvals are fast. But I would like to say, government, tafadhali, mwarakishe malipo kwa hospitali. Hiyo tu ndio ningesema. But for the patient, patient is happy.
Yes.
Because you come here, we request for authorization very fast.
They are treated and they go home.
Yes. The only thing is payment.
The burden is now left with the hospital.
And with the hospital.
Oh, yes.
So now we don't detain patients. Washa, if you come, you are treated, and you are discharged, you go home. Then si tunabaki tu ki sort out na SHA. So tafadhali ongezeni speed ya kulipa. But otherwise, thank you for supporting the citizens in terms of SHA. Sasa muangalie hospitali pia, mturushie vitu nzuri kwa bank account. If SHA delays, because I said it plays a great role in the running of mission hospitals, some hospitals actually run 100% SHA. For us, I would say it's about 67%. But if SHA delays payments, then that means we'll delay payments to our creditors. Some projects will stall. And I really want to thank our creditors for working with us this difficult journey where we have unhealthy cash flows, especially when SHA delays. But they come through at the end of it all. They pay us. But creditors have been patient to really continue supplying. And we really thank God for their magnanimous heart to support PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. So we are grateful and we are thankful.
For all of them.
Yes, all of them. And also our church has been very supportive. The head office, the GA officials, we really appreciate them. The board, very great minds that have really oversighted the way we do things here, the advisors, our HAT team, and like I mentioned earlier about gender,
yes.
Come to our senior management, the ratio is skewed towards the female gender. I think we are 14 of us and 9 are women.
Okay, well,
so you can see that empowerment.
Embraced inclusivity fully.
And it's not favors.
Yes.
It's not affirmative action. It is by merit.
Yeah, sure.
They deserve it.
They deserve
we
it.
do interviews, they come, they are interviewed, and they pass their interview and they are employed. So I want to thank also our staff, all of them, for working hard and smart to ensure we are where we are now, even as we plan to implement our Vision 2050. Yes, indeed, we are leveraging on technology, and it's well spelled out in our current strategic plan, which is 2023-2028, and also in our Vision 2050. We've really tried our best to ensure that we are not left behind in terms of technology. And for example, currently we have Proximi in our general theater, where we use that platform. It's a software that aids in training the young doctors, the interns, and the registrars, and also a consultant is able to log in on their phone or on their laptop, wherever they are, outside the country, in the office, at home, and they'll be able to guide those who are in theater to do a successful operation. And Proximi also helps in terms of audit, because it's a 360 degrees camera. It's able to see what's happening, and it records.
Why does it sound like a robot or an AI?
Okay, yeah.
That's a great milestone.
Thank you.
Congratulations.